Here we have is our Cashflow game, so you can learn about real estate investing in a safe, fun, interactive way.
And I'm Lois Threlkeld, and I'm going to show you a little bit about this game. So when you start off here, and you are in the rat race. So the object of the game is to get out of the rat race and get into, you have enough passive income coming in every month that you can get on the outside where there's financial freedom. So when you start off, you know, you're collecting a paycheck and you're deciding on different opportunities. We have little cards that you can draw from, see if you want to buy doodads like luxury cars, or and then the idea is to collect your paycheck and you get a cash flow sheet that you can keep track of everything, and when your income, your passive income exceeds your paycheck and you have more that you're not using, you can get out of the rat race and invest into the world of passive income. This is the cash flow game. You land on things like buy a dry cleaning service, or maybe buy a biotech company, or you're out here where you don't need to be buying doodads and working for a paycheck. You are in the land of cash flow, and you have cash flow days. You can buy a forest. You can go see the 7 wonders of the world, and that's when your passive income exceeds your daily needs income.
Thank you, everybody. You can find out more at our YouTube